twinkling skate truck hums and gleams, carving paths of starlit beams. Pebble sparkles soft and bright, guiding wheels through gentle night. Twinkling stones and mushrooms glow, guiding trails where breezes blow. Her cheeks aglow, a rosy light, as stars swirl softly through the night. She jumps, she spins, with joyful cheer, a galaxy so close and near. Fireflies light their lanterns bright, dancing with her through the night. Moonflowers sway, petals fall, a quiet magic like it's all. She pauses once to watch a star, shooting swiftly from afar, then skates again with laughter light, painting dreams across the night. In this world of gentle glow, where softest starlight dares to flow, baby Starlight's pure delight, a shining spark in velvet